of millions, starring the top-grossing Filipino film of all time. And now the two faces of the rated #1 mobile network in the Philippines, Ding Dong Dantes and Marian Rivera. With a beautiful gift. Ayan, there we go. Ding Dong, Marian, how are you guys feeling today?
Wow, hello. Hello. Yes.
Hello! Ayan, magandang umaga ko sa inyo. Ako, sobrang excited po kami at sobrang saya namin na makasama kayo ngayong umaga at makausap at malaman yung mga kwento behind our family, our work, and all the reasons why we're so happy to partner.
So now let's take a seat. As we said, I'm so excited actually to learn more about everything. So first of all, I would like to congratulate you both on your huge success on your recent film, Rewind, the top-grossing film in the Philippines. You guys, how about a round of applause? It's really not hard to say power couple kasi power talaga eh. Power talaga. But now, I want to ask, ano ang feeling now that you are now part of the family of the #1 rated mobile network in the Philippines? How does that feel?
Check. Yeah. We, of course, we're very grateful. Sir Eric, Ma'am Eve, Sir Jasper, and the whole Dito family. Una-una, maraming salamat sa tiwala. Maraming salamat po sa grateful kami to be associated with brands that really value the Filipino people. Alam nyo, ramdam na ramdam namin na sa puso nandito, ika nga nung tagline dito sa puso, talagang top priority talaga nila ang customers dahil of course reliability, of course dahil sa affordability ng kanilang services, and very very clear yung kanilang mission. They really want to empower communities here in the Philippines, and we're just happy and proud to be part of this family because parang extended family rin namin ito.
Grabe talaga. Let's give a round of applause. Now, I know that there's when it comes to your, meron tayong mga online habits, di ba? You guys, of course, as a family din. So I wanted, okay lang if we can dive into that a little bit. But Marian also, we want to hear from you. It's such an amazing experience. So how do you feel naman?
Sobrang blessed kami. Sabi ko nga kay Dong, Dad, pasensyahan na. Dito sa puso ko, mukhang dalawa na kayo. Diba? Siya at dito. Tulad ng sabi ni Dong, parang nakakataba ng puso na dito sa dito, pinaprioridad nila yung mga tao, yung mga Pilipino, kung ano yung mga kinakailangan nila. At sabi ko nga, dito sa dito, ay maaasahan mo talaga. At ginawa nitong affordable para sa mga masang Pilipino. Na lahat tayo may karapatang mag-internet. Lahat tayo pwedeng maging masaya dito sa mga puso nyo.
Ayun! Speaking of masaya, okay, I need to mention, okay, a few months back, madami kang pinasaya sa dance videos. Nakita niyo ba yun, yung dance videos? Ayun, okay. I'm not sure kung nagustuhan ng mga tao, pero 80 million views po siya. How about a round of applause for that? And what I like about that is, once you did that, ayun, but
Actually, siya nagturo nun eh.
oy, sama ka naman dyan.
Hindi, isang umaga kasi nagulat ako. As in, out of nowhere, nakita ko talagang nagsasasayaw siya. Tapos may camera.
Oh
So,
my
walang
goodness.
sinasabi sa akin na para sa TikTok niya. Kasi nung time na yun, hindi pa siya active sa TikTok. Tapos kinabukasan, nung pinost niya, yung pala yun. Then pagkatapos yun, kinakareer na talaga niya.
At saka may award pa yan, ha? Oo, naalala ko yan. And you know what's guys about that? Once you posted that, ang dami mga throwback videos. Nakita mo rin yun, di ba? And ang galing-galing. Can you please give a round of applause for Miss Marian Rivera and her dance moves, alright? As a trying hard dancer myself, I really loved it. It was super fun. But I also want to ask, aside from the dance videos and, other things, ano yung mga, what are some things you like to do as a family when it comes to connection, di ba? And, activities at home?
Actually, mahalaga yan kasi sa amin, mahilig kami mag-banding at manood talaga ng mga movies. Nagmamarathon talaga kami sa
talaga?
pelikula.
Okay.
So yun yung pinaka-banding namin together. And siguro sa mga kids din, si Zia kasi is may iPad siya. Kasi sa school nila, naka-iPad na sila. So may mga assignments siya na kailangan namin gawin online. At the same time, siguro mahalaga sa family namin talaga the internet. Kasi pag wala kami sa bahay, check namin yung kids sa monitor kung ano ba nangyayari sa kanila. As an OA mom, kailangan palagi nakababad sa internet. At happy ako kasi dire-diretso talaga. Hindi mo kailangan i-off.
True!
Magdamag nakatingin ka na, nag-roll ka na,
Oo.
nag-i-eksena ka na, natapos ka ng lahat, naka-roll pa rin.
Ayun. At
So, naka-monitor ka
minsan
talaga.
lang, tapos ganyan ka lang. Okay, you can see it's, right? It's really amazing. And, grabe the offers, no, Dong? It's really crazy.
O, kasi talagang nowadays, essential na talaga ang connectivity. Nabanggit niya yung usage niya sa bahay. Ako naman sa trabaho, especially when I'm on very, very far places sa aming location. Mahilig kasi ako talaga na video call eh.
Yes.
So talaga nakikita, especially itong misis ko. Kung ano na lang yung camera. At saka syempre mga anak na rin. Syempre gusto natin very, very reliable. Of course, nandyan din yung mga pag nag-online meetings, di ba? So sobrang yung usage talaga niya.
And I actually can I just share? I remember we did a work event sometime last year. Tapos shoot kasi yun. So may mga in between takes. They would really call their kids. So nahihilig namin sa mic, saan ka na? Ganon. So it's really true, no? Like, you want to be connected to your home because as much as you guys are career people and, also being parents, the number one job niyo yan also. So it's really true what you say, your bonding, connectivity. And I don't know if you guys heard that, pero only 5G yan. Only 5G and
Only 5G siya for the mobile postpaid. So imagine only 5G at 100 GB
yes,
gigabytes.
100 GB
Extra
data. Okay.
na data. Ganon ka-generous. And
Maging honest tayo, kahit tayo nagulat nung sinabi nila yan. Sabi namin talaga ba? Wow! Di ba?
Amazing.
Kaya very excited talaga kami na ibigay yan sa kanila. At kami mismo, masabi namin sa kanila, bahala kayo. Buwan to sawa kayo, mag-internet kayo na walang interruption.
Yun. Let's give them a round of applause. Nagulat din ako sa 5G and 100 gigabyte data. Parang, actually gusto ko din yan. But speaking of parenting, we cannot not mention, what about their online lifestyle? You mentioned a little bit of their school and stuff, but ano yung mga fun activities na they like to do online?
gusto namin yung mga activities namin together kami. Halimbawa pag nanonood kami ng Netflix, pwede lang yung rewind, masyado ng advance para sa...
Naka-recover na ba yung mga tao? Actually, nung nabanggit nga na Miss Evelyn, parang naiyak ako ulit eh. Okay, but amazing.
So yun talaga, isa sa mga gusto namin i-celebrate na bonding moment ay yung pag-nood together. So kaya mahalaga talaga walang interruption.
It's true. And you know what? As they get older, maaalala nila yan, no? Yung mga movie nights nyo. Alright, grabe guys, let's give them a round of applause. As parents, the balancing act, kailangan talaga, to balance parenthood and, this power couple, there's so much going on. But I want to ask, sa inyo kayo, as being part of this new family, ano ang nagpatibok sa puso nyo para sa dito? Diba?
Gaya ng nabanggit ko kanina, ramdam talaga namin yung genuine na pagmamahal ng dito sa kanilang mga customers. At makikita natin ito sa kanilang services at products. Katulad ng sa prepaid, di ba? Sa prepaid line nila, sa mobile postpaid na nabanggit ko kanina, hanggang sa home, na produkto nila. And ang goal talaga nila is to really connect Filipinos to one another. Na siyempre walang interruption. Imagine yung 5G, where ako sobrang grateful ako na sa area namin, may 5G, so unlimited siya. Hindi na kailangan sa 100 gigabyte na data. Kasi sa 5G pa lang, unli na talaga siya. But it's really yung kanilang commitment dun sa kanilang mission. Sabi nga na ang kanilang goal ay sana hindi lang maging privilege ang connectivity, kundi maging isang right para lahat. And yun ang isang bagay na sinasalutuan ko sa kanila.
Actually, Maya, tama yung sinabi ni Dong kasi yung customer service nila, grabe yung ipaparamdam nila sa'yo na ikaw yung ipaprioridad nila. Ikaw yung pagtutuunan nila ng pansin kung anong kinakailangan mo. At dito, nakakataba ng puso kasi tulad ng sinabi ni Dong, priority nila yung mamamayang Pilipino. At yung bibigyan nila yung internet na kinakailangan mo na hindi yan sa cellphone mo, pati sa bahay mo. Kasi sabi nga ni Dong, necessity na talaga ang internet. At ito yung maaasahan mo na affordable pa.
Affordable talaga highlight and, you know, the heart, at the heart, na-feel natin. So, malinaw talaga. Survey says, dito is number 1. Okay lang ba magpa-sample? Gusto ba, okay lang magpa-sample ng survey says? Guys, you wanna say some more?
Araw-araw ko sinasabi nito, pero doon sa game show na napapanood natin everyday, 100 na Pinoy ang tinanong. Dito higit sa 100 sa survey. So, ang sabi ng survey says, of course, dito is the number 1 rated mobile network.
Dito is rated number 1. Thank you so much, Ding Dong and Marian. It is an absolute pleasure to share the stage with you. It really is. And we appreciate you guys sharing what matters to your heart, diba? And so let's give them a round of applause as we highlight what Dito stands for: connectivity, affordability, and inclusivity. Now, okay lang ba mag-selfie? Ganun yung selfie. No, kasi we're talking about connectivity. And look at this crowd right now. Everybody's here to celebrate Dito and the amazing past year that you guys had in the first quarter. So, I think we should commemorate this moment. Hindi selfie with us. Selfie natin lahat. Okay lang? Oo. We're gonna try and squeeze in parang group shot o group photo, diba? So, kailangan, let's all stand up. Ayun. There we go. And I think si Ding Dong. Alright, squeeze in, guys. There we go.